Ever wonder why some online businesses soar while others stumble? The secret ingredient often isn't what you might think. It's copywriting. Now you might be thinking, what's so powerful about putting words on a web page? Well, friends, copywriting isn't just about stringing words together. It's about crafting a compelling narrative that speaks directly to your audience, about building a bridge between what you offer and what your customers need. Imagine you're walking down a busy street, a sea of billboards and neon signs clamoring for your attention. What makes you stop and look? It's not just the flashy graphics or catchy tunes, it's the message that resonates with you, the words that speak to your needs, desires, and aspirations. That's the magic of effective copywriting. In the online world, copywriting functions much the same way. It's the key that unlocks customer engagement, turning casual browsers into devoted followers. It's the voice of your brand, setting the tone for your entire online presence. And most importantly, it's the driving force behind your sales, persuading potential customers that your product or service is exactly what they've been looking for. But it's not just about selling. Good copywriting builds trust, fosters relationships, and cultivates a loyal customer base. It's about understanding your audience, their needs, their pain points, and their desires. It's about speaking their language, touching their hearts, and igniting their imaginations. So whether you're a fledgling startup or a well-established brand, investing in good copywriting is a non-negotiable. It's the difference between blending into the background and standing out from the crowd, between a struggling business and a thriving one. And remember, good copywriting isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires creativity, intuition, and a deep understanding of your audience. It's an art form that, when mastered, can catapult your business to new heights. So, are you ready to see the transformative power of effective copywriting in action? Consider the success story of the Dollar Shave Club. This is an example of a brand that took an everyday item, a razor, and turned it into something exciting. But how did they do it? The answer lies in their use of humor and straightforward language in their copy. Dollar Shave Club understood that their product, in essence, was a mundane necessity. However, they didn't let that stop them. Instead, they used creative copywriting to infuse their brand with personality. They crafted an image of not just a razor, but an experience, a lifestyle. Their advertisements were filled with humor, making the audience laugh while also getting across the key selling points. They used straightforward language, avoiding jargon and instead speaking directly to their potential customers. This made their brand feel accessible and relatable, like a friend recommending a product rather than a company trying to sell something. This approach was incredibly successful. Dollar Shave Club attracted a large customer base, people who were drawn in by the humor and stayed for the quality of the product. They proved that even an everyday item could be made exciting with the right copy. With the power of copywriting, Dollar Shave Club turned razors into a must-have, demonstrating that no product is too mundane for creative copy. So remember, the words you use to describe your product can make all the difference. Make them count. Airbnb is another example of a business that has harnessed the power of copywriting. This global powerhouse has made a name for itself by leveraging the art of storytelling to create an immersive and unique experience for its users. When you visit Airbnb's website or app, you're not just looking at a list of accommodations. You're embarking on a journey, a voyage of discovery that goes beyond the ordinary. Each listing is a story waiting to be told, a chapter in an adventure that you're invited to write. It's not just about finding a place to stay, it's about exploring a new city, experiencing a different culture, and making unforgettable memories. Airbnb's copywriting invites users to become part of a global community. It's not just about renting someone's home, it's about being welcomed into a new neighborhood, making connections, and experiencing life as a local. This sense of belonging and community is a powerful motivator, encouraging users to engage with the platform and return for future travel experiences. Through their compelling copy, Airbnb has managed to transform their users' perceptions, turning a simple accommodation service into an exciting travel adventure. The emotional connection they've established with their customers is a testament to the power of effective copywriting. Airbnb's success story proves that with effective copywriting, you can create a powerful emotional connection with your customers. Everlane, an online clothing retailer, is another prime example of effective copywriting. This brand has harnessed the power of words to cultivate a distinct brand personality that resonates with their customers. Everlane's copywriting strategy is all about clarity and honesty. They've made transparency their watchword, and it shines through in every piece of copy they produce. They communicate openly about their processes, their pricing, and their principles. This clear and concise approach has won them a loyal customer base who appreciate their no-nonsense, no-hidden-costs promise. Every product description on Everlane's site is a testament to their commitment to transparency. They provide detailed information about the materials used, the factories where the clothes are made, and even the true cost of production. They've taken the mystique out of fashion retail and replaced it with a candid conversation. But Everlane's copy doesn't just inform, it engages. It's not a bland list of facts and figures. It's a narrative that draws you in, that makes you feel part of the brand's journey. They've mastered the art of storytelling, turning a simple product description into a tale of ethical sourcing, skilled craftsmanship, and timeless style. Moreover, Everlane's copywriting reinforces their commitment to quality. They don't resort to hyperbolic claims or flashy slogans. Instead, they let their products speak for themselves. They describe the care that goes into each piece, the premium materials used, the meticulous attention to detail. This kind of copywriting builds trust. It assures customers that Everlane's products are worth every penny. Everlane's approach to copywriting is a lesson in the power of authenticity. They've shown that customers value honesty and transparency as much as they value a well-crafted product. They've proven that a brand can build a strong identity not by boasting or overselling, but by simply telling the truth. Everlane's copywriting strategy shows that clarity and honesty can be just as compelling as any sales pitch. In a world where consumers are often left in the dark, Everlane's light of transparency shines bright. So what can we learn from these success stories? Let's distill the essence of what we've just explored. From Dollar Shave Club, we saw how wit and relatability can make a brand stand out. Airbnb taught us the importance of storytelling, of crafting a narrative that resonates with our audience, connecting on a deeper level. Everlane, on the other hand, demonstrated the power of transparency, of being clear and honest in your messaging. These case studies underline the power of effective copywriting. It's not merely about selling a product or service, but about creating a connection, a relationship with your audience. This requires a deep understanding of who your audience is, what they value, and how to communicate in a way that resonates with them. Creativity, clarity, honesty, understanding. These are the cornerstones of compelling copywriting. Mastering the art of copywriting can be your secret weapon to online success. It's time to start writing your own success story.